Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. It's an exciting day over here. We are getting ready to put the wheels and tires on the 40 Ford. First time ever. We've actually seen it with anything worth looking at. And this will kind of give us an understanding of what our stance will be and everything, kind of the final, because we did go up one tire size in height on the front. So the back should be about the same. Front might go up just a tick. So we're going to do that. Let me show you here. So this is your last shot of the 40 Ford two-door sedan with these wheels on it. So what's going to happen next is we're going to jack it up. We're going to put the new ones on, which is just super exciting. So really excited to do this. This is what they ended up looking like. The General Ultimaxes. They did a really good job putting them on. We got the center caps back on. We've got brand new lug nuts down there. These are the 15s over here. I'm going to set you guys up. We're going to jack this thing up and we're just going to bring you along for the ride as we do it. I think we're doing the rear first. Big Ron's got the jack under the rear anyway, so that's what we're going to do first. I'll bring it to you from this side. And then we'll go from there. So stay tuned, guys. I'll bring you back in a sec. we go, guys. There's the new kicks. God, they look good. Let's check our front. You went up half an inch. You're right at 5 now.
That's perfect.
That's what you're looking for, right? Alright guys, Ron's going to take it around the block, see how it feels. You're clear! Grab his driving glasses. Alright guys, I'm going to set this up for when he comes back around. We'll be right back. She's pretty. Guys, it really looks good. I think he's enjoying it. Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Alright, so Don's 1957 Chevy behind me. He brought over some parts I thought I'd show to you. We'll start with, it's kind of a parts unboxing, sort of. So this is the Bill's Hot Rod alternator and AC bracket for 283 with no accessory holes on the heads. This mounts to the water pump. So this will allow us to put an AC compressor on it, so that's exciting. We also got the crank pulley, the polished billet with the 2 belt, because what we have is a single at the moment. And we got the Billet Specialties water pump pulley, the double belt. That stuff came from a place called Hot Rod Hardware. You can get this stuff at www.hotrodhardware.com. Their phone number is 507-527-1020, and it looks like they're out of West Concord, Minnesota. So that's where this stuff came from, if you're curious. And then this stuff, I'm not sure where it came from, but I'll tell you what we got. We have a custom auto sound, factory style, factory looking radio for the 57 Belair. But this is 200 watts, 4x50. It's got electronic volume and tuning controls, auxiliary inputs for direct connection to today's audio, 4-channel RCA outputs, so 4 RCA outputs, upgraded AM/FM tuner for optimum reception, separate bass and treble controls, and 18 FM and 12 AM presets. Okay, so this means we don't have to put that terrible radio in. We can put this one in, and it is much smaller, which gives us much more room under the dash. So that is exciting. Now with this, we also got the classic car stereos 12-volt Bluetooth to RCA adapter. So this is also Bluetooth. So that's exciting. And we also have a hidden amplified antenna. So we got a hidden antenna we're going to put in here too. So that's kind of where we're at there. Sorry guys, FedEx guys here. But anyway, that's what I got on this. I'm gonna wrap this up there, but that's the parts we got delivered today. Gotta love it. You never know what you're gonna get here. But anyway, thanks for watching Brown Trodden Custom. I just wanted to show you guys this.